What is up, guys? So today I'm going to be going over my martingale strategy with Forex Flex and showing you guys the results I've gotten in the last 1 month. Now here you can see I'm in about $180 profit, and that's about 4% of my account size when I just added on to a little bit. I had a $3,000 account to start off with, and then I updated 5,000 and up to 6,700. But in general, it was about 4% of my account at the time that I was trading. Now here I can go over some of the big wins that I had here, which was actually part of the basket of trades that I had going on. Of course, you also had some small wins, some small losses, but right here on GBP New Zealand, I had a basket of 3 trades going on. I started with 1 micro lot, and of course I used the lowest possible risk that you can set. We had the trade go against us, so I set a second one here and a third one here. Now this is completely automated through my VPS. I didn't trade anything manually. This is all part of Forex's Flex strategy. Now on the third strategy, it bounced back, or the third trade, it bounced back, and we ended up closing at a profit of $48, which at the time was a little over 1% of my account. If you want to take a look at the other one right here, with the one with 1 micro lot, that was actually at a loss here. Where can I find it? Yeah, that was actually at an $8 loss. The second trade ended at an $8 profit, and of course the third trade was kind of our gravy train over there. It's super important that you guys understand that if this trade would have gone against me even further, I would have placed another trade, and that would have put me further into drawdown. And that's why I keep my risk settings low, and I only trade 1 pair at a time. The default settings on this strategy here, let me take a look at for you guys here. I was using ADR dynamic, and if you actually use the default setting, you keep going down all the way to the bottom, and this is one of the biggest ones here. If you had used the default settings, it would have been max charts is 5. That means it would be trading 5 different pairs at a time, and that's actually what I had it set it to at the beginning of my trading. Once I realized that I was going to be in a drawdown, I quickly changed this to 1, and that's in case I'm 4, even 5 trades deep, I can still recover from that. If I was trading 5 different pairs, I had a bunch of other trades going on, my account would be at an even higher drawdown, and I would be at a higher risk of getting stopped out. So not only do you need to keep your initial lot size small, you also have to keep the number of trades that you put small. I have a maximum of 5 trades on a chart, and I'm only trading 1 chart at a time. I think that's the biggest reason why people blow up their accounts when they're martingaling. That, and I also take my trades out before a news event happens. Of course, you see my balance is $6,700. I've added on to my account because I quickly realized that trading on a $2,000 or $3,000 account is going to be extremely difficult and unsustainable in the long term. In my opinion, if you want to martingale and you want to martingale effectively, your account balance should be no less than $5,000. And I think if your account balance is only $2,000 or $3,000 and you get into a losing basket of trades, your broker, depending on your broker and your account, may stop you out because they don't want you to put yourself into a higher drawdown. This is another basket of trades that ended well. The last one here, Euro New Zealand, this got me about $40 in profit here, but this is a basket of 4 trades that was also happening around the same time. And because I had this going on at the same time as my GBP New Zealand pair, I was actually at a risk of getting stopped out. I had to put more funds in there, and fortunately I was able to recover back to the means and put it into a profit. If I had not put funds in and the funds, or if the trade kept going against me, I could have very easily gotten stopped out. And I definitely learned my lesson since then, and that's why I only trade 1 pair again. As you can see, I was at 4 trades in, and I still hadn't had the trades go against me. The only reason I'm able to survive this is because my account size was big enough, and because my lot size, I started off at the lowest possible risk setting possible. If I was trading on a medium risk setting on just the regular 3, 4, 5 charts, I would have gotten stopped out for sure. So if you guys are trying to martingale here, please, please, please do not trade at any higher risk than you need to, especially just starting off. Keep it as low of a risk as you possibly can, and once you get comfortable, once you get used to your trading strategy, you can increase the risk. I'm not increasing my risk at all, even though I've literally doubled my account size here in the last 1 month just from adding deposits and from profits. I'm not going to be increasing my lot size because I'm going to be looking for long-term results. And even though, 4% a month, that's really considerable. In martingaling, if I had doubled my lot size, I could have gotten even 8% or potentially even higher for doing so. But I'm keeping things slow and steady. If I can get 2, 3, 4% a month, honestly speaking, I'm happy with that. And even if I have some months and I'm just breaking even, that's totally cool. I don't think people should be looking too much at the end profit. It should mainly be just trying to optimize your strategy to be able to be consistent in the long term. Anyway, guys, that's just going to be a quick video for you guys. I just want to show you what I was doing and what my initial results were with the Forex Flex EA. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, have a good day.